where we got our laundry done. We're coming to pick it up.
It's amazing to me. We took them 2 bags
the halls with clouds of light. Tis the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel. Fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol. Fa la 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 la. Fa la la la. Fa la la la. Fa la la la. See the blazing
Lobby shopping center where the hotel is actually on the 3rd floor. This is the 2nd.
Strike
Or the 1st, because we were on the ground. On the DIY hardware. Salon, yeah. Probably hair and nails. There's hair. Yeah, we already had that. Appliances over there. This is the hardware store. You want to look around in there? Okay. Yeah, I told the girl at the front desk that we were going to be. Hi, how are you? I told her we were going to be out for a little bit.
Sing rejoice all together. Heedless of the wind and weather.
Hello. These are the nice people that served us today. And thanks for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe.